we had to cram Pinky Lou in the back of the truck.
You're watching Two Bears Outdoors.
Hey guys, Merry Christmas to ya. It is almost time for the Key Largo Christmas Boat Parade. We are going to be entering our boat again this year. So I'm going right now into the Florida Bay Outfitters. That's where they have the goodie bags that you get, and you get your number to put on your boat. They have fabulous goodie bags. Last year we just couldn't get over it. If you hadn't seen it, check out our video from last year. Oh my gosh, there's even some rum in there. Oh. This is, Smirnoff apple flavor vodka. It's amazing. The best ditty bag I've ever gotten before. So let's go in and let's go check it out and see what they're gonna give us. So I am in Florida Bay Outfitters and we are getting our number and our goodie bag. We are number 9. I think we were number 9 last year. Number 9. This is boat number 9, Barely Behaving, checking in. So I think we've got the same number again. That's awesome. We can't wait to see what all is in this and our cool t-shirts they gave us.
Okay, so the boat parade is sponsored by the Key Largo Sunset Rotary Club, and it will be starting tomorrow night out on the water in front of the big chill, and just come on out and watch it. That's great. There'll be we have at least 23 boats, and we have all these wonderful girls here helping us register everybody. So registration is tomorrow. We have from prizes and stuff like that, and then she's going to show you the ditty bags, which are amazing.
Yes. Hey guys, so how was that? Was that not absolutely fabulous? Those ladies were so sweet, and we're so excited. I can't wait to see what's in this bag. It's heavy just like it was last year, so there's no telling. That they just up the game every year. So we're excited about it, and we are ready to go. Me and Mom, we're gonna go start decorating the boat, and then again, me and Gus will have to come back to the boat tonight, make sure all the lights work. So here we go. Okay, whew, I'm tired and we ain't even close to done yet. So you can see we got one palm tree in place. We're using rod holder down here. Had to move some of the things up, but I think that was gonna ride good there. I don't know about this palm tree over here. We're probably gonna have to move it, but because we're gonna put Pinky Lou right here. And there she is down there. So we got our gator up top. Now I have to try to strap him down. Joy. Let's see how I can get this done. We're starting to lose light too, so I gotta hurry.
Hey, Chicky Wing.
Chicken wing my foot.
At about 2 miles per hour. No need to find your number order, just fall into line and stay a couple hundred feet apart, and be safe.
Come on,
Baby!
All right, guys. So we had a wonderful night at the parade. We came out here to the Blackwater Siren, had some dinner, met up with my friend George from Keys Boating Channel, and he spent the night out here as well. We're coming out to say hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Go, baby. Say hi.
Hi.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All right, we're just getting ready. We're gonna start up the engine and